What time does your school start in the morning?
My school starts at 7:30 in the morning. I usually wake up early to get ready. I eat breakfast before leaving the house. The school gate opens at 7. I try not to be late.
What time does your school finish?
My school finishes at 3 in the afternoon. After class, I go home with my friends. Sometimes I stay longer for extra study. The teachers say goodbye to us at the gate. I feel happy when school ends.
How many hours do you study each day?
I study for about 7 hours each school day. The time includes classes and breaks. We have a short break in the morning. There is also a lunch break at noon. After breaks, we return to class again.
What do you do during the lunch break?
During lunch break, I eat with my classmates. Sometimes I bring food from home. Other times, I buy food from the school canteen. We also talk and laugh together. It is a fun time of the day.
What do you do during the morning break?
In the morning break, I eat a small snack. Some students play games outside. Others read books or talk with friends. The break is only 15 minutes. It gives us energy for the next class.
Do you like the morning or afternoon classes more?
I like the morning classes more. My mind feels fresh in the morning. I can listen better and learn faster. In the afternoon, I sometimes feel sleepy. Morning classes are my favorite time to learn.
How do you feel when school ends each day?
I feel happy and a little tired. I like to go home and rest. Sometimes I do homework after school. I also enjoy playing with my friends in the evening. Ending school means more free time for me.
How many days do you go to school each week?
I go to school 5 days a week. My school days are from Monday to Friday. On Saturday and Sunday, I stay at home. I sometimes study or play on those days. The weekend gives me time to relax.
What do you usually do before going to school?
I wake up and wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast with my family. After that, I put on my school uniform. Finally, I go to school with my bag.
What do you usually do after school?
After school, I go home and rest. Then I do my homework. Sometimes I play games with my friends. I also help my parents with housework. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. I like learning new words. I also enjoy reading stories in English. My teacher makes the lessons fun. English helps me talk to people from other countries.
Which subject do you find the most difficult?
Math is the most difficult subject for me. There are many numbers and formulas. Sometimes I do not understand them quickly. I practice more to get better. My teacher always helps me when I am stuck.
Do you like science?
Yes, I like science. It teaches me about nature and the world. I learn about animals, plants, and the human body. The experiments in class are fun. Science makes me curious and excited.
What do you learn in history class?
In history class, I learn about the past. I study important people and events. I also read about kings, leaders, and wars. Sometimes we watch videos about history. History helps me understand my country better.
Do you enjoy art class?
Yes, I enjoy art class a lot. I like drawing and painting. It is relaxing and fun. I can use many colors and be creative. Art makes me feel free and happy.
What do you learn in geography?
In geography, I learn about countries and places. I also study rivers, mountains, and oceans. We use maps and globes in class. Geography helps me know the world better. I enjoy learning about different lands.
What do you do in physical education?
In PE, we play sports and exercise. We run around the school field. Sometimes we play football or basketball. The teacher shows us new games. PE keeps us healthy and strong.
Do you like reading in your language class?
Yes, I like reading in my language class. I learn new stories and poems. Reading helps me improve my speaking. It also makes me imagine different worlds. Language class is very helpful for me.
What do you learn in computer class?
In computer class, I learn how to use a computer. I practice typing and using programs. Sometimes we learn to make presentations. I also learn how to use the internet safely. Computers are important for the future.
Do you like music class?
Yes, I like music class. We sing songs together. Sometimes we learn to play instruments. Music makes the class happy and fun. It is one of my favorite subjects.
What time do you usually wake up for school?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast with my family. I then put on my school uniform. Finally, I get ready to go to school.
How do you go to school every day?
I usually go to school by bicycle. Sometimes my father takes me by motorbike. If it rains, I use a raincoat. My school is not very far from home. It only takes me about 15 minutes.
Do you like morning school or afternoon school?
I like morning school better. In the morning, I feel fresh and active. I can pay more attention to the teacher. In the afternoon, I sometimes feel sleepy. Morning is the best time for me to learn.
What happens if you come late to school?
If I come late, the teacher will mark me late. Sometimes I cannot enter the class right away. I have to wait and explain. I try not to be late because it feels bad. It is better to arrive early.
How long is your lunch break at school?
My lunch break is about 1 hour. It gives us enough time to eat. Some students rest after lunch. Others play outside or talk with friends. The break makes us ready for afternoon classes.
What do you usually do on weekends when there is no school?
On weekends, I stay at home and rest. Sometimes I do homework in the morning. I also help my parents with housework. In the afternoon, I play with friends. Weekends are fun and relaxing.
Do you have evening classes at school?
No, I do not have evening classes. My school only has morning and afternoon classes. In the evening, I study at home. Sometimes I go to extra lessons outside school. Evening is for homework and rest.
How do you feel on Monday mornings when school starts again?
On Monday mornings, I sometimes feel a little tired, but I am happy to meet my friends again. I get ready early and prepare my books. I also listen to my teacher's lessons. Mondays are the start of new learning.
Do you like short breaks between classes?
Yes, I like short breaks. They give me time to relax. I can drink water or talk with friends. Sometimes I stretch or walk outside. Short breaks help me feel fresh again.
How do you feel on the last day of school before holidays?
I feel very excited. Holidays mean more free time and fun. I can spend more time with my family. I also like playing with friends. Holidays make me very happy.
What do you learn in math class?
In math class, I learn about numbers. I also study addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Sometimes we solve word problems. The teacher explains the lessons on the board. Math helps me use numbers in life.
Do you think English is important to study?
Yes, English is very important. Many people around the world speak English. It helps us talk to foreigners. It is also useful for work in the future. That is why I want to learn it well.
What do you enjoy most in science class?
I enjoy the experiments in science class. We sometimes mix liquids to see reactions. We also look at plants and animals. The experiments make science exciting. I learn many new things from them.
What do you learn in literature class?
In literature class, I read stories and poems. I also learn about famous writers. The teacher explains the meaning of the text. Sometimes we write short essays. Literature helps me understand feelings and ideas.
Do you like doing homework in your subjects?
Sometimes I like doing homework. It helps me practice what I learn. But sometimes it feels hard and boring. I try to finish it on time. Homework is important for learning.
Which subject do you think is the easiest?
I think art is the easiest subject. I can draw and color freely. The teacher gives us simple projects. It does not feel stressful. Art is relaxing and enjoyable for me.
Which subject do you think is the most useful?
I think English is the most useful subject. It helps in school and in daily life. It also opens doors to better jobs. Many books and websites use English. That is why I think it is very useful.
Do you like writing in class?
Yes, I like writing in class. I write short stories and essays. Writing helps me practice spelling and grammar. Sometimes I write about my own life. Writing is a good way to learn.
What do you usually do in group projects?
In group projects, I work with classmates. We share ideas and tasks. Sometimes we make posters or presentations. Everyone has a role to play. Working in groups is fun and helpful.
Do you think exams are important?
Yes, exams are important. They test what we have learned. Exams also help teachers know our level. Sometimes exams feel stressful, but they are a part of school life.
What do you like most about your school?
I like my teachers the most. They are kind and helpful. They explain lessons clearly. They also encourage us to study hard. Teachers make school a good place.
What do you like least about your school?
I like exams the least. They make me feel nervous. Sometimes I forget answers during exams, but I know exams are important. I just need to prepare more.
Who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is my English teacher. She is very kind and patient. She explains lessons clearly. She also gives us fun activities. I always enjoy her class.
What do you do if you don't understand a lesson?
If I don't understand, I ask my teacher. Sometimes I ask my friends for help. I also read the book again at home. Practice makes the lesson clearer. Asking questions is important for learning.
Do you like studying with friends?
Yes, I like studying with friends. We can share ideas together. Friends help me when I don't know something. Studying with others is fun. It makes learning easier.
Do you enjoy doing school projects?
Yes, I enjoy school projects. They are different from normal lessons. We can be creative and use our ideas. Sometimes we present our work to the class. Projects make learning exciting.
Do you ever feel tired at school?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired. Long classes can make me sleepy, but short breaks help me feel better. I also drink water to stay fresh. Feeling tired is normal sometimes.
What makes you happy at school?
My friends make me happy at school. We talk and play together. Teachers also make me happy when they smile. Learning something new feels good too. School has many happy moments.
What do you want to improve in your studies?
I want to improve my English speaking. I want to talk more confidently. I will practice every day. I also want to listen better. Improving English is my goal.
Why is going to school important?
School is important because it gives knowledge. We learn many subjects. We also learn discipline and teamwork. School helps us prepare for the future. Education makes life better.